Good afternoon, dear student, and welcome to online class. Dear student, today I am going to teach you very short answer type question. This question is very important for board examination. Now listen very carefully. Your topic is forest and wildlife, and this is the very short answer type question. Question number first: which tiger reserve is facing an existential crisis due to the dolomite mining in West Bengal? Right answer is the tiger reserve is located in West Bengal, Baksha Tiger Reserve. Second question: in India, what percentage of animal have become extinction crisis? Answer: in India, 10% wild vegetation species and 20% and mammals are at a risk of extinction. This include cheetah, pink-headed, duck, mountain, cuckoo, wild spotted owl, and plants such as Mathuca in Sindh and the Huberidia hepatenuan. Question number third: which forests are called unclassified forest? All other types of forest and wasteland which are owned by the government, individual and communities are called unclassified forest. Question 4: explain the purpose of the Chipko movement. Answer: Chipko movement was launched in Chamoli, Uttarakhand to stop forest deforestation in Himalaya and to carry out community afforestation campaign by Sundarlal Bhavguna. Question 5: what are the species that are not found in their habitat? Endangered species. In which year did the Asiatic cheetah be declared India? In the year 1952. What is a bioreserve area? What is a bioreserve area? The area created for biodiversity conservation is called bioreserve area. The Valley of Flowers, Uttarakhand and Nilgiri South are example bioreserve area. Question 8. Explain the ecosystem. Trees. The relationship between plants, animal and humans or other things is called ecosystem. They all depend on each other. It is not possible to exist without one. What is the rare species? The number of these caste is very small or vulnerable, and if the adverse circumstance affecting them do not change, then they are can fall into the category of the distress caste. What is natural vegetation? The trees, plants, shrubs, grasses, etc. that grow without human intervention are called natural vegetation. Question 11. Which are the major organisms found in the Himalaya region? The Himalaya region are notable for wild sheep, mountain goat, safin, a long-holdered wild goat, serp and the tapir, panda and so leopard are found only the tiger reserves of the Himalaya. Question 12. In which state of India are protected forests found? Answer: protected forests are found in the state of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Odisha, Bihar and Himachal Pradesh. Question number 13. Reserve state are found in which state of India? Reserve forests are found in the state of Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. Question 14. Which animals were included in the Protect Species of the Wild Act 1980 and 1986? Under this act, hundreds of types of butterflies, kites, antipodes, and a dragonfly were included in the protest caste category. What are the reasons of degradation of forest? After independence, the expansion of agriculture area deforestation for transfer, zoom farming or slash and burn farming, increase in railway lines, agriculture, business, commerce, forestry and mining activities during the colonial period. मतलब कह रहा है डिग्रेडेशन फॉरेस्ट का डिग्रेडेशन कैसे हुआ, तो आज़ादी के बाद से ही एग्रीकल्चर एरिया बढ़ता गया डिफॉरेस्टेशन के लिए, झूम कृषि का ट्रांसफ़र किया गया, स्लैश एंड बर्निंग फार्मिंग हुई, रेलवे लाइंस बनाने के लिए, एग्रीकल्चर, बिजनेस, कॉमर्स, फॉरेस्ट्री एंड माइनिंग, इन सारे रीज़न के द्वारा एग्रीकल्चर जो है हमारा डिग्रेडेशन होता गया. व्हाट इज़ ए प्लांट स्पेसिस? ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रीज, प्लांट एंड ग्रास आर कलेक्टिवली कॉल्ड वेजिटेशन. और ये वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. हु इज़ नो एज जोलॉजिकल. ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स, बैक्टीरिया, माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड ह्यूमन आर कलेक्टिव कॉल्ड जोलॉजिकल. तो डियर चिल्ड्रेन एंड डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 17 फॉर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन. इस क्वेश्चन को आप पढ़िएगा और पढ़ने के साथ साथ अपने फेयर कॉपी में कंप्लीट करके इसको रिवीजन करते रहिएगा. और इसमें से पर जो वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन होते हैं वो 2 नंबर के आते हैं. कम से कम इसमें से 2 क्वेश्चन जनरली बोर्ड्स के एग्ज़ाम में आते हैं. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.